Hello everybody, and as I've mentioned before, the colours around us affect us more than we realise. The colours that we wear, the colours we paint our walls, and the colours of nature. When you're in nature, that green colour soothes you, refreshes you, calms you, and heals you. Even the plants in your home make a huge difference, healing and soothing you and purifying the energy. And nature vibrates at the 432 Hertz frequency, the source energy, the energy of nature. And when you ping it, it can heal you and affect you right down to your DNA. Now I go over my plants in my house every day with this soothing tone, and they are responding. They are just unbelievable as they soak it in. So just feel that energy, soothing, healing and touching you. Now Archangel is in charge of nature. He is the angel of nature, and here is an orb of him hurrying to an emergency in his beautiful blue-green colour. And as you look at this orb, just feel his energy surrounding you, soothing you, healing, refreshing, re-energizing. And you may like to close your eyes. Feel his wings around you. And sit in a bubble of his beautiful green-blue light. And find yourself walking in safe, secure nature in Archangel energy. You may like to walk under the blue sky by a little stream of clear water with silver ripples, a mossy bank with flowers peeping out, and take a moment to pause, to lean against a tree trunk. Feel the solid support of the trunk, and maybe you may feel a gentle breeze on your face. And as you sit on a mossy bank, breathe in the perfume of wild flowers. And you can see a green meadow in the distance, and a rabbit just scampering across the meadow, feeling safe and secure today. And a bird flying, chirping, singing of the joy and the peace of nature. A squirrel runs along a branch, and as you rest in nature, you feel secure, safe, relaxed, refreshed right down to an inner level. And as you rest within Archangel wings, so safe, so comfortable with trees and grass and nature around you, you feel refreshed, calm, healed, rejuvenated. And another thing is happening. Your sense of self-worth is increasing. You are accepting yourself exactly as you are, for nature accepts you exactly as you are. You feel more confident, much more sense of self-esteem, more alive, and you're relaxing deeper, 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 right deep down to a cellular level. And as you do let go and surrender to nature, this is when magic happens. Just letting go and drifting within nature. For if you will allow it to, by calming and centering, nature will heal you, soothe and refresh you at a deep inner level. Just find yourself more and more letting go and trusting. All is well. Everything can renew and heal. Magic and wonderful things can happen. Just take a moment to sit back and let the sun warm you. The faint rustle of the wind in the trees just relax you. The sound of the water flowing rejuvenate you, and the birds singing remind you that you are a magnificent being. While you are letting go within the arms of nature, something deep inside you is shifting, and you're feeling calmer, more centered, happier, more relaxed, more joyful. And you know that you are a beloved person on the planet, just exactly as you are. And as you allow yourself to drift, be aware once more of Archangel Pearly-Meek, the angel of nature, holding you. And know that in the silence that incredible things happen.